Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Robinson here again, and we're going to teach you how to make your tab for your interactive notebook. So the first thing you will get is a paper for the unit that you're studying. So here is our Unit 1 paper, and I want you to notice the tab is right here. It says Unit 1, Operations with rational numbers, and it also has it written backwards, Unit 1 that way, operations with rational numbers. So your job is to make this tab stick out of your notebook. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it at this middle line here to separate this side and this side. So I'm going to fold it right there in the middle. And if you notice, I have on one side here the Unit 1 rational numbers operation along with the cover page. And on the other side, I have again Unit 1 over here with rational numbers. And this is all topics that we'll be covering. We'll be writing our page numbers in there for each topic that we do. So with that being said, we now have to go to our book. So let's go to our book and put it in. I notice I already have mine put in. So this is page 1 of our notebook. So since it's page 1, I'm going to go to page 1. Remember, you number your pages, and I'm going to just cover it with this paper and put it in there. And notice I leave a little slack out there so it's sticking out. And lo and behold, I got my tab. But Dr. Robinson, how is it going to stay in? Well, it stays in by you gluing or scotch taping down these parts. So get your scotch tape or your glue and glue it down. I scotch tape mine in here. And don't forget to do the back page so it doesn't fly off. So make sure you scotch tape that down well or glue it down as well. And then when you are ready, you'll have sticking out your tab. So that way you can go straight to your tab and watch that unit and work with that unit. So that's how you do it. All right, hope you enjoyed the movie. Dr. Rob signing out. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Dan Robinson is my name. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.